Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the world of precision cooking with the Nuwave Double Induction Cooktop, a powerful 1800-watt appliance featuring two large 8-inch heating coils and independent controls for ultimate versatility. This innovative cooktop offers 94 temperature settings ranging from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 575 degrees Fahrenheit in precise 5 degrees Fahrenheit increments, allowing you to make adjustments on the fly without starting over, ensuring your meals are cooked to perfection every time. With its intuitive digital controls, you can easily select from 6 preset temperature settings or fine-tune your own, giving you the freedom to keep delicate sauces warm or grill a juicy steak with serious grill marks. The Nuwave Double Induction Cooktop boasts 2 independent control panels, enabling you to boil pasta on one side while simmering sauces on the other, thanks to its large heating coils and impressive 25-pound weight capacity per side. Engineered to outperform your expectations, this cooktop inspires you to confidently create culinary masterpieces, whether you're preparing breakfast, lunch, dinner, or dessert. As a pioneer in the industry, Nuwave has revolutionized induction cooking by introducing precision temperatures, making it easier than ever to cook like a pro. So, if you're ready to elevate your cooking game, the Nuwave Double Induction Cooktop is your ticket to professional-grade results right at home.